welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can improve your blog writing with the help of an AI tool called Writesonic. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Are you tired and just burnt out spending hours writing blog posts that don't get any engagement you're looking for? What if I told you there's a tool that can help you not only write better content, but also optimize it for SEO and generate new ideas? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this tool to take your blog writing to the next level and get results you deserve. So let's jump right in. We're just going to start with a brief overview of all the features that Writesonic does have to offer. And then after that, we're going to go into the article writer. And there, I'm going to show you how to create content faster than you ever could before. So after you've signed in at the Writesonic.com homepage, it's going to bring you to a page like this. You're going to see library. If you scroll down, they offer many features. Just scroll down so you could see. And you can also click these topics up top to faster search through your needs. As you can see, they've added tons of new features. You used to be able to have to write the article one by one. So when we're going to dive into the 4.0 writer, before they had this, you would have to do blog titles. Then next, you would have to go to the paragraph writer. Then next you would have to go to the editor. Then next you would have to go to, the intros, or, say that would be in the beginning there. And then the conclusion writer. You'd have to do that all one by one. So what makes 4.0 an advantage is it's an all-in-one. You start with your keywords, then you go to the next thing, then the next thing, and it finishes your article just like that. So if you guys want to look more into the tools, these are it. It's going to help you out with writing Facebook ads, Google ads, some Amazon titles and product ideas, descriptions, and then social media as well. It's going to help you gather a content plan. It's going to give you some Twitter threads. Plenty of features here, tons of features. Go check it out, definitely. But we are going to focus on the content and article writer. This is it right here, 4.0. So go ahead and click on that. Now it's going to bring you to a screen that looks a little bit like this. I went ahead and typed in a topic. And as you can see, this tool has a keyword researcher. That is a huge plus for this tool, because this is going to give you great ideas on keywords that are, maybe not as difficult. You want to rank for, on web pages. You don't want to be number 50. You want to be number 1, number 2. So you can see the difficulty here on each keyword. The lower the number, the better. This is a 6. Writesonic actually doesn't have, surprisingly, a lot of keywords. It is a new tool, so as more people start to find out about this, I'm sure that will change. But actually what I do like to use is another tool called Ahrefs. This is the king of keywords and anything SEO. It does come with the price. I believe it's like $97 or $99. But this is just a gist of what you guys would get. This gives you way more in-depth detail of keywords and search engine optimization. As you can see here, you're going to see how many backlinks, ref domains, keywords, traffic, all for that, one site. And over here, it's going to give you, your keyword difficulty. So every keyword that you're going to type in here, it's going to give you all that information. It's going to give you the traffic on which country. And then you have the content explorer, the rank tracker. Basically, anything you need to know to write something online in a website, it's going to give you that in this tool. So I definitely recommend you guys go check this out. I do have a link in my bio. Go ahead and click on that and go ahead and explore for yourself. It's a tool that I use. But for this demonstration, we're going to focus on Writesonic and how to use this tool to create your blog writing. So we're going to go back to the page here, keywords. So as I said, I had a keyword typed in. So you're going to want to scroll through this, pick out some good keywords, AI writing, you might want in there. For this, I'm not going to use maybe the best ones. I'm going to use ones that are, familiar with what I'm writing. So after you do that, I did the search keywords. You have your keywords. You're going to go over to get ideas. And now this is where you're going to plug in what you are writing about. So say for your topic is, Writesonic, like I have down. And for the keywords, SEO, AI writer, and so on. After you've gathered your keywords, you're going to want to click on the tone of voice. For this one, we're probably going, since this is an informative kind of article here, we're going to go professional. That's just going to give it the best vocabulary. It's going to give it, the best kind of information, because in a professional sense, you want to know what an app can do. You don't want it to be funny, because I want to get straight to the point and give all the information that I needed to give. So professional is going to give you that. And then first person point of view. So that is obviously if you are writing it yourself. Third person is another option that people do. That is just basically talking like you are talking about yourself writing it. And then the call to action, that is going to be basically, check out whatever website you're doing. So say you're doing something about food or healthy, fit, something like that. You say, go check out this smoothie drink. For this, we're going to do, go check out Writesonic to write the best, SEO optimized articles that you can. Once you have that, then you're going to go to the quality type. And this is basically Chat GPT 3.0, 3.5, or 4.0, the newest version. And then after that, you're going to click on Generate Ideas. And when you're doing this, you're going to want to make sure your keywords are very strong, very good keywords. That's why I recommend Ahrefs, because it's going to give you the best keywords possible. It's hands down the best product you can use. So definitely check that out. But this is going to be simple here. Just a topic is Writesonic. We're going to choose this first one because that's what we're going after. We're going after search engine optimization. I want my article to rank the highest, and I want it to use the best keywords for that. So we're going to click on that one. And then here's get an outline. Click on generate outline. Some really good results here. So as you can see, it's got all my sections here. 1, 2, 3, all the way down to 10. What I recommend you guys doing is going through each one of these and clicking to make sure that that's exactly what you want it to write. So you can kind of tweak it a little bit more towards your focus. Down here, AI. So I'm just going to run through this just like I am telling you guys to do. You definitely want to check each one. Tips for mastering SEO. Yep. Because that's what we're talking about. You want to make sure, it's correct. Most of the times it is. It's going to, put out some really good outlines for you. But just in case, I know different topics might be different, but this app is pretty good at organizing things. So we're going to go ahead and generate this article. And it's going to write you a perfect SEO optimized article. So after that, once you have your written article, go to share your document, and then you can download that right into a Microsoft Word, PDF, or HTML. So we're going to go ahead and download that to Microsoft Word. Once that's done, I'm going to see it is downloaded right here. And there you go. So I recommend as well, once you have this article done, you can also go into a program called Content at Scale, as well as Surfer. So these are both SEO optimizing tools as well that you can input this into. And both of these tools will give you advanced SEO capabilities along with a content score right on your right-hand side. It will also look through your article and make sure that it won't be caught by AI detectors, so that way your article is plagiarism free. I left a link in my description for you to check it out. And now I want to thank you guys for staying and following along. I hope you guys can use these tools to your advantage and write a blog of your own. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, this AI tool will help you create high quality content that engages your audience. But remember, the key to success is to use these features effectively and tweak the output as needed. Don't rely solely on the AI tool, but use it as a tool to enhance your writing skills. And thanks again for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll be sure to respond. And always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.